Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial of Scale. In this tutorial I will show you how to perform which one? A rating questions test. We will use as example the test, the rating questions test that we created in the tutorial, in another tutorial. The test is this one here, rating questions tutorial. We name it like this, so we just press on the test and we say confirm. I already registered myself. There's another tutorial showing the process, so I will just write here my name, my month of birth, and also my the year of birth, and I will click on login. The system had found my subject file, and I'm ready to start the test. So I will just press start. Here are the instructions that we wrote in the field general instructions while we were creating the test, and the instructions say, they say, please subject perform this test. Thanks for your collaboration. Don't hesitate to ask for a cookie at the end of the test. Normally you give them something. If you made it really bad, you can also ask for a cut. I mean, they sometimes make it really bad. And maybe they are a little bit depressed, so it's not bad to give some love or appreciation. So we just press continue, and here are appearing the scenarios. In this case we had 5 scenarios. The order of the scenarios we cannot change it. We set it to auto, so we start with scenario 1 and we will end with scenario 5. And we just pressed next. So when here are the instructions that we wrote as scenario instructions, where they could be different between the different scenarios. In this case we wrote the same instructions for all the scenarios. Normally you will do this, and they appear here. Then when the scenario opens, the sample is played directly. If we select the option repetition, the subject can repeat the sample by pressing here the button repeat. And then we have to answer this question. So how would you rate the quality of the sample or samples? In this case it's quite bad, because it's just a tone, and it just stops suddenly and makes this clip. It clips. So the quality, it's really bad. How loud did you find the sample of samples? Comfortably loud. Here is missing the L. I mean, I'm making example tests, so I hope it's not a problem if I don't write it perfect. I hope you will understand. Would you find this quality acceptable for radio broadcasting? No. Continue. It's actually nearly the same as the other sample, but we will now invent. We will say that the quality of this one was okay, but it was too loud. Although we would say that we nearly accept it for radio broadcasting. And continue. Number 3. I will show you what happens if I press repeat. We put repetition limit 3 times. So let's. I didn't hear it good. Quality now. Wow, it's great quality, but I don't remember, so I press repeat. Now it's the second time. The loudest comfortably, and now We'll repeat again. Yeah, because we pressed 3 times on repeat. Repeat is disappearing. Would you find? Yeah, now we say that yes, we find totally acceptable for radio broadcasting. And yeah, this scenario, it's nothing. It's we just also invented. Continue. Yeah, in scenario number 5, we gave more than one sample. So please, now you will see what happens when we add more than one sample in the rating questions test. For more than one sample in one scenario, I mean. Yeah, we add 2 samples. They just play one after the other. There's this option to make a pause between the samples playback. In this case, we set the pause to 0, so they just play one after the other without any pause. I can show you again. Yeah, then how would you rate the quality of samples? Yeah, we say everything in the middle. We don't want to get in trouble, so everything in the middle. And we just press continue. And yeah, I'm saying the same in all tutorials of the performance, but here you have these 2 options. When we are performing one scenario, when there are still scenarios to perform, normally this button is set to continue, so we just press it and we make next scenario. When there are no more scenarios to perform, it is set to finish, so we press and we finish our test. And this button interrupt allows the subject to stop the test, and his progress will be saved until the last scenario performed. And then if he wants to continue the test, we just go to perform, we select the test, and then he will have to log in. When he log in, he will see 2 options. One is new start, so he selecting new start, he will perform the test from the beginning. And if you select the option continue, he will be this. He will face again this window with the progress he made. Like if he made scenario 1, 2, 3, this window, when he press continue, this window will open until this point, and then he will be able to finish or to complete his test. So we will just press finish, and yeah, our performance of this test is finished, and the tutorial also. So thanks for watching it, and if you want to learn more about Scale, watch other tutorials. Thank you and bye.